Hey guys, it's Jessie here. I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be a bit of a kick in the butt for me. I really desperately need to organize my kitchen cupboards. So all of the cabinets here above all need to be emptied out and reorganized. So I thought I would do it on camera today. That way it's pure motivation to get it done. This cabinet here has all of my dishes in it, and it is a mess. I did just stick this in here to try to see if it would fit with my mugs underneath, and it does, so that's going to be a huge help. But this is where I store all of my dishes, so this is going to get completely emptied out and reorganized. This is the main culprit here. This is right above my microwave, and this is where all of the spices and oils and everything go, and it's a hot mess. So I did buy a little wire spice rack that's just like that thing that I stuck in here. It's like this wire material, and I'm hoping that'll fit up there and help organize and corral everything. But so I'm going to pull everything down from there, wipe it all out really well, and reorganize. And then the last one, I'm also going to wipe the outsides of these because they're all sticky and gross. The last one here is a complete cluster of stuff. So this is where we keep all of our coffee, our teas, our supplements and medications and things that we take on a daily basis because, you know, we're right here making coffee. So this all needs a good clean out, wipe down, and reorganization situation as well. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to set the camera up on the tripod, and hopefully you guys will be able to see what I'm doing. It's just going to be like a time lapse. So yeah, I think that's all I needed to tell you. I'll come back at the end, show you guys the finished result, but I'm really, really excited to get this done. So here we go. guys, so I did not get everything done. I did not get to the inside of this cabinet here. I don't have time today, and honestly there's still a bunch of dishes that need to go through the dishwasher. Not everything is clean, so I'm going to save that for another day, but I did get to the 2 cabinets that were giving me the most trouble. I cleaned the outsides really well, I cleaned the insides really well. I used this Method heavy duty degreaser on the outside because these cabinets were covered in splatter and grease from the stove down here, and then it was all like that super sticky dust that settles into the grease, and it took a lot of elbow grease. I cut a lot of that out of the video because I scrubbed at these cabinets for a really long time, and they're still not perfect, but they're much better. And then once I used the degreaser really well and everything, I went back in with this Method Daily Wood for Good cleaner, just to kind of, I don't know, do a extra little something with them. And then on the inside, I used the Method all-purpose cleaner in the pink grapefruit scent. And I get all my cleaners on Grove Collaborative. I'll link that down below if you guys are interested, but I know what you're really interested in seeing is this. So this is so much better. I didn't put anything up here because this cabinet, the way it's situated, is really awkward to get to. You may have seen me kind of struggle, even on the step stool, to get up into that area. So I just put our coffee that we use every day up there, and then this little coffee maker cleaner thing up there. There's nothing behind there because it's just impossible to get to the way that our kitchen is situated. I really want to gut this whole kitchen and start over. Maybe one day we will. On the bottom here, I just have teas and things over here, as well as some hot chocolate and some apple cider. And then on this side is all our medications and pills and supplements and things. Super easy to grab for when we need those. So that's fantastic. I love that. And then there's up here. I realize this probably doesn't look too much different than before, but trust me, it's so much better. I did use that little spice rack. It's not the best spice rack in the world. It'll work for now. I got it at Dollar Tree, so it was only $1. You guys saw me go through all of my spices and get rid of a ton of things that were expired. I made a little list of what I need to pick up at the grocery store, and I will just slowly add those spices back in as we kind of need them. And you know, I'm not probably going to buy them all at once, but I could definitely buy a second spice rack like this and line it up next to it. I might do that. I might go with something completely different, but for now this is working. Next to the spice rack here is all the stuff that is just extras. So extra cans of salt, extra seasonings that we don't use as often, and then over here are all of the oils and things. Plus the salt and pepper that we reach for on a daily basis. And then I gave that a really good scrub down as well. So that's it. I didn't quite get everything done, but I'm very, very pleased with the progress. I don't know if this video was interesting to you guys or not. Let me a comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed it, if you like this sort of video, or if it was totally mundane and I can skip doing these sort of videos in the future. If you don't want to leave a comment, you can just simply leave it a thumbs up if you liked it. That's an easy way to tell me as well, but thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.